In the last session, we have learned how to calculate interest on drawings when fixed amount is withdrawn every month. In this session, we learn how to calculate interest on drawings when fixed amount is withdrawn not every month but quarterly. A year has 4 quarters of 3 months each. Now, problem number 9 says X a partner has withdrawn 30,000 quarterly. Interest is charged at 8% per annum. Calculate his interest on drawings as on 1718 if the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of each quarter. First, let us see which are those quarters for the year 1718. 1718 means the year starts from 1st April. So the first quarter will be April, May, and June. Second quarter will be July, August, and September. Third quarter will be October, November, and December. And the fourth quarter, January 18, February 18, and March 18. These are the 4 quarters of 3 months each throughout the year. Starting from 1st April 17, ends with 31st March 18. When is the amount withdrawn? At the beginning of each quarter. At the beginning of first quarter. That means the first amount withdrawn is on 1st April 2017. At the beginning of second quarter. That means amount withdrawn is on 1st July 2017. At the beginning of third quarter, that means amount is withdrawn on 1/10/2017. At the end of last quarter, that means amount is withdrawn on 1/1/2018. This is how we take the dates. Understand? First, first quarter starts from April, second July, third October, fourth January. At the beginning of every quarter. So this is what are the dates. What is the amount of drawings? Every quarter, equal amount of 30,000 is withdrawn. 30,000 is withdrawn. This is what is the problem given. Now let us see the method that we are doing. This solution we are doing by direct method. Direct method. Simple calculations. Drawings amount into the outstanding months we have to find out into the rate. Rate what is mentioned is 8%. Let us see how to calculate this. Now first we want outstanding months. As I said, how to calculate interest from the date of drawings till the year ending. From the date of drawings till the year ending. So from 1st April till 31st March 2018, outstanding months will be 12. Then July. 1st July 17, say here. 1st April 17 to 31st March 18. Outstanding months are 12. Next, 1st July. 1st July 17 to 31st March 18. Already one quarter is over of 3 months. Remaining how many months? 9 months. So here this period will be of 9 months. Next quarter, which start from 1/10/17, ends on 31st March 18, will have 6 months. October, November, December, and January, February, and March. 6 months. The last quarter starts on 1/1/2018, ends on 31st March 18, which has 3 months. Once this is clear, how we take the dates and the months, now comes the calculation of interest. Simple calculation. Drawings. Drawings for the first 30,000 into how many months? 12. 12 divided by 12 will not show that. Instead of showing 12 divided by 12, we'll show it as for one full year. Into the rate of interest is 8%. 8% is 8 divided by 100. So 2 zeros are cancelled. 300 into 8. What you get is 2,400. is the interest on the first drawings. Now, on the second drawings, we are going to calculate interest for how many months? 9 months. Let us see. 30,000 into 9 divided by 12 into 8 upon 100. Now, see the calculation without calculation. 8% of 30,000, already we have seen 2,400. 9 upon 12 means what? 3 upon 4. So 24 into 3 by 4. 3/4 part of this, what you get is 1,800. What you get is 1,800. Next, we are going to calculate interest for how many months? 6 months. So that is 30,000 into 6 upon 12 into 8 upon 100. Again, 8% of 30,000, we know that 2,400. 6 by 12 means half. Half of 2,400. What we get is 1,200. The last interest. 30,000, but only for 3 months at 8%. 8% of 30,000, 2,400. 3 by 12 means 1/4. 1/4 of 2,400, what you get is 600. When you total, we get the total interest. Here, 2,400 plus 1,800 is 4,200 plus 12, 5,400 plus 600. So the total 6,000 rupees. This is what direct method says. Direct calculation. For this method, we can apply average period also. In this situation, we can apply average period method also. Let's see how to apply that. Here we have the steps. If amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month, yes, it is at the beginning of every month. The only change will be, we don't take plus 1, nor we divide by 2. We divide this by 4. Now, total period in months. Outstanding months. How much? 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. This we divide by 4. 12 plus 9, 21 plus 3 is plus 6 is 27 plus 3. 30 divided by 4. What we get is 7.5 months. Step 2. Total drawings. How much are the drawings? 30,000. So 30,000. When you multiply by 4, what we get is 1,20,000. Let us see. Interest has to be 6,000. 1,20,000 into 7.5 months divided by 12 into 8%. Here don't divide by 4, because 8% is per annum. So we divide that by 12. So 1,20,000 into 7.5 divided by 12. When you calculate, the answer what you get is 6,000. You found out this method very comfortable because the months were ready. We directly took the months. If the months are not ready, first this calculations are to be shown, then comes this step. So when it is withdrawn quarterly, go for direct period method. This is what at the beginning of each quarter. Let us take up one more problem showing the drawings at the end of each quarter, and we'll see how the calculations will be changed. Problem 10. X partner has withdrawn rupees 20,000. Quarterly, interest is charged at 12% per annum. We need to calculate interest on drawings for the year again. 1718. 1718 means these are the 4 quarters. If the amount is withdrawn at the end of each quarter, in the previous it was withdrawn at the beginning of every quarter. At the end of every quarter, first let us write down the dates. End of first quarter is June. So the date will be 30th June 2017. End of second quarter, 30th September 2017. End of third quarter is December, 31st December 2017. End of fourth quarter is 31st March 2018. This is how we record the dates. So whenever it is quarterly based problem, basic thing, this is your rough work. With pencil, write it down somewhere so you don't go wrong with the dates. Then, amount of drawings. At the end of every quarter, the amount withdrawn is 20,000 rupees. Now let's see the outstanding months. Here, this is up till withdrawn on 30th June. So here, in this case, the period starts from 1st July 2017 to 31st March 18. How many months we get? 9 months. We calculate that for 9 months. Next, it is on 30th September at the end of second quarter. That means this period will be counted from 1st October to 31st March, wherein we get only 6 months. The next period, 31st December are the withdrawals. So this period will be counted from 1/1/18 to 31st March 18. 3 months. So here we get that for 3 months. Then the last 31st March 18, on the last date the withdrawal is done. We never charge interest for a minute or an hour or for a day. So in this case the number of months are going to be 0. Let us calculate the interest. 20,000 into 9 divided by 12 into the rate of interest is 12%. That is 12 divided by 100. The calculations, very simple. 12 will be cancelled. 2 zeros will be cancelled. So when you cancel this 12 and 2 zeros, 9 twos are 18 and these 2 zeros, what we get is 1,800. Next calculation. 20,000 into 6 divided by 12 at 12% interest. Again 12 cancelled, 2 zeros cancelled, 200 into 6. What you get is 1,200. Next, 20,000 into 3 divided by 12 at 12% interest. So again 12 cancelled, 2 zeros cancelled, 200 into 3, what you get is 600. Last, number of months are 0. There is no need to show the calculation, but even then, here 12 cancelled, 20,000 into 0, any number multiplied and divided by 0 is 0. That's all. This is the interest. 1800 plus 1200, 3000 plus 600, 3600. This is how we calculate the interest. Problem number 9, we have seen when the amount was withdrawn at the beginning. Problem 10, we have seen when the amount is withdrawn at the end of each quarter. We'll take up one more problem wherein the amount will be withdrawn in the middle of each quarter. Problem 11. X, a partner, has withdrawn 3,000 quarterly. Interest is charged at 8% per annum. We need to calculate his interest on drawings for 17-18 if the amount is withdrawn in the middle of every quarter. So first we shall see what are the dates. April, these are the 4 quarters. 17-18 is the year. April, May, June, middle of every quarter. So April and June, middle is what? May. Middle of every quarter means not first May. Middle of every quarter means middle of this month, 15th May. 40 quarter is of 90 days. 45 days, 45 days. So the middle comes is 15th May 2017. Next middle is August. 15th August 2017. 15th November. 15 November 2017. Next Feb. 15th February 2018. These are the dates. Once you understand the dates, we'll proceed further. The amount of drawings every year, that is every quarter, is 3000. Now, outstanding months. Be very careful in counting the months from the date of withdrawal till March 18. That is, this will be from 15th May 2017 to 31st March 2018. Let's see how many months. These 9 months. These 9 months, 10 months, and half of May. Half of May means what? 10.5. So that's going to be 10.5 months here. Next, 15th August. 15th August 2017 to 31st March 2018. This 6 months, September 7 and half of August. What you get is 7.5 months. Then 15th November. 15 November 17 till 31st March 18. This 3 months of the last quarter of this quarter, December 4th month, half of November. What you get is 4.5. The last 15th Feb. 15th Feb 2018 to 31st March 18. March 1 month and half of February. What you get is 1.5. So 4.5 and 1.5. These are the outstanding months. Once you get the months, calculation of interest. Let's see. 3000 into 10.5 divided by 12 into the rate of interest is 8%. The answer what you get is 210. Then the next 3000 into 7.5 divided by 12 into 8%. The answer what you get is 150 rupees. Third one, 3000 into 4.5 months divided by 12 into 8 upon 100. What we get is rupees 90. The last, 3000 into 1.5 divided by 12 into 8%. The answer what you get is 30. This is how we calculate the interest. Let us total is 21 plus 15, 36. 36 plus 90, 450 and 30. Total interest comes to rupees 480. In this session, we have learned the problems on when fixed amount is withdrawn every quarter. In the next session, we'll take up the problems when varying amounts, different amounts are withdrawn during the year by using the third method, product method. Thank you.